Alright, so you gotta check this out. The coffee machine is making sex noises, that's right. And the coffee machine making sex sounds. Yeah, so I'm making coffee this morning and I hear this sound and I'm not sure where it's coming from. It's like, what the hell? You hear it? Sure, someone could easily comment, oh, he's hearing sex sounds from his coffee machine because he doesn't get any sex. Well, I can tell you that is not true. It freaked me out this morning. I thought it was the neighbors. I really did. I thought, God, are they that loud? I'm seriously thinking to myself, why haven't I heard this before? Look, I know there's a lot of folks out there who love coffee, and I'm not trying to take anything away from that. Alright, if you get a coffee pot that makes sex noises, I definitely want to hear about it. Share your videos. Post the link here. Thanks for joining me this morning. It's getting down to some serious business here. Well, alright then. I'm gonna need a cigarette after that pot of coffee.